Welcome back to another video. We got the clearance, guys. We got a whole new clearance deals, lower prices at the low. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals, any of the clearance deals that they have. Alright, to start here, you still got the $99 drill impact driver or drill driver kits, oscillating tool kits. These are killer deals. Alright, we're going to be looking at the gift center, see if they got any lower prices, any clearance deals, because they do got a few. Talking about some nice deals. This is a nice, some drawers with the VersaStack compatible. This is $41 for the double drawers. These are shallow drawers. Now what you're looking here is two different units, so keep that in mind. There's only two drawers per unit. Alright, so talking about taking care of yourself, make sure you guys invest in some hard shell knee pads. Not necessarily these guys. I did try them, squeeze them. They're not the best. For something like this, you might want to try them out. You might want to invest in a little bit more money. But if you don't have enough money, then this is better than bare floor, right? So yeah, definitely invest on your health. We got some more clearance stuff here. Alright, they got this tote with some wheels here, rolling tote. This is a 50-gallon from Craftsman, 44 down from 48.98. And they got this one's a solar panel. This one you can charge your cell phone device. This one's $59, and then we have another one, $79. Yeah, these are kind of pricey. If you want something cheaper, you can always go to Harbor Freight. They do have 100-watt solar panels for like $100, or Amazon. However, these are portable, so that could be a good camping bag type of stuff, or you know, something to charge your devices. All right, so we got a toolbox here, 701 down for $779. This is a Craftsman 52-inch blue workstation with a solid wood top. We got another one. I really love the colors here, the blue with black. Really like the mixture, the contrast of the blue. Got a 9-drawer, 46-inch, 1,200-pound capacity. So this is a really nice toolbox. I already got a combo here. This is a Craftsman blower and string trimmer combo. These are brushless tools. This is $129 down from $149. We got another one here. This is a 40-volt max rear-wheel drive. On clearance, guys, $107 for $429 mower. This is a rear-wheel drive, self-propelled mower with a 5-amp-hour battery. I was thinking about it. I don't know if I should get it. Probably not going to get it because I'm in the Eagle. Yes, Eagle has one on clearance for $99 down from $399. Whoever got this one, you are lucky. This is a killer deal. $99. I tried looking for one at the store. The guy said that they had one in stock. I was going crazy trying to look for the numbers, and I did not see it. So chances are somebody, a reseller or something, just got it, which is fine. You know, it is what it is. Here's another one, $419 down from $599. This is another killer deal. It's for $600 to $400. That's almost $200 off. That is a really nice. That is a self-propelled 7.5. Maybe I should invest in something like that. Ugly Twist. Yeah, I ended up picking something like this for $12. For the spring, it's almost here. So it's only a few months here before we start getting all the weeds and weed whacking and all that stuff. So might as well stack up on all this. I already got a 10-inch string trimmer kit, $69. That's it right there. Very something smaller. If you need something bigger, make sure you guys pick something like this, like a brushless RP, $179 down from $199. It's a much stronger unit or tools. You got the 3.2 ounce Craftsman Universal 2 Cycle for $1.02. The oil mixture. You got the 3-piece replay lines spools, $14. Now I don't know exactly where this goes into, but or what brands. And make sure you guys look up on the Sky or up on the racks and see if they have those clearance items. Don't forget that. Alright, they got this one on clearance, $136 down from $547. This is great, guys. get yourself some wheels from Harbor Freight, a couple dollars, and put them under there. Then you got yourself a rolling cooler, evaporative cooler for the garage. Here's another one for the patio, for the outside patio. $6 on that one. Combo, $33 on from 51. Quick set. There's different ones for remodels. And then you got some vacuums, some cleaner vacuums for the house. A stick vacuum, $246 down for $449. That's a big discount on that one. Check this one out, $146 down from $247. A cordless vacuum. Here's another security light for the garage, for outside the garage. We got $32. It's motion activated. It does have a solar panel. Here's another one for all the weeks that are coming up. $99 down from $199. It's on clearance. Does come with battery and charger. Talking about clearance, big ticketed items. Here it is. You got a generator. Generator and a compressor. It's a 33-gallon compressor. 175 psi, and then this is the generators. This is $549, which is not a killer deal because we've seen them before, especially if you guys been here at the channel. We've gotten $1,000 compressors for just $200, so a lot of us did get them. But yeah, anyways, for now they got this one at this store. They do have the RV 30 amp 120 volt connector. Then we got another one here, a different style. Another RV connector, and we got the regular house outlets, and then we got the neutral floating there so you guys could connect it. All right, so this is $449. This is that's the item number there. This is the compressor, pretty large size, Craftsman. All right, we got a little dog run here, or cover patio for the dogs, or cage for a smaller animal. It's on clearance for $639. It is 8 feet by 4 feet. That's pretty nice. All right, so talking about tools, guys. Going back to tools, killer deal. $129 for the 15 gauge finish nailer. Check this brad nailer. It's a kit. It's a brad kit for $199 down from $279. They still got some of these at the store. So if you guys need a nailer, if you guys do remodels at your house, or that's what you do for business, and there you go. You got oscillating toolkit for $89. Make sure you guys jump on this one. This one's a pretty good deal. That's a really good deal on that one. All right, same thing with this one. This was $89 down from $99. Now this is from the Cobalt. And then you got the Dremel brand, the Dremel 4000. Sounds like a finger slicer 4000. All right, so you got a $79, and then you got oscillating tool, the Dremel multi-purpose, and then you got the Ultra toolkit, the Dremel Ultra finger slicer, and then you got yes, the tools are, I don't know what happened to the tools. You guys know what's up? Are they dropping flex, or I don't know? That's a good question, because there's only a few boxes left. That's crazy. Or are they having a new line? That's another different story. All right, so here's another one on clearance. Some 2 blades, a 2-pack of 10-inch, and then we got a 2-pack of 12-inch for $24.98. Was $54.98. And if you know what's happening at Lowe's, let us know down in the comment section. We want to know. $89 down from $129. Cover. And then we got a 6 amp hour battery. $79 down from $99 from the Cobalts. And then we got a 2-impact of $59, so $30 a piece. These are pretty nice batteries, very lightweight for the impact driver. For the drill was $129. We got another clearance benchtop router, cabinet style table, laminated, $99. That one was already sold out. And then we got some bits here. Really good deals on these. Was $20 down from $487. Here's another different one for $11.97. So just different ones. I'm not gonna go over all of them. There's a whole bunch. $129 down from $179. It got a miter saw stand. It's not bad. It's actually pretty nice. It does have some wheels. All right, talking about some stand. Here's a workbench. $70. This is a killer deal. This is a really nice workbench. A lot of you like them. A lot of you like this one better than the DeWalt. I think it's better than the DeWalt. You got 569 down from 699. This is a portable planer, 13-inch from the DeWalt's. Talking about huge clearances. $32 down from 129. So mechanics 230 piece. If you guys see this at your store, get it before this sells out, because most likely it will sell just like this one. All right, so this is 262 piece for 149. This is another killer deal. You got an 80 piece here for this was 99 down from 149. It's an okay deal. Here's another one, $39 down from 79, 61 piece. Mechanics tool set. And then you got pretty much the same that we saw on the other side, so $99 for this one as well. Here's another Cobalt, $69 down from 109. Sold out, obviously. And then we got an extension here, $39.98 down from 24, or actually $224. Got another toolbox here, another toolbox section with some major discounts. I really love the blue on this one, by the way. So this was nice. All right, let's look at the prices here. We got $299 down from $219. That's a really big discount. $80 off on this one. So all those that want to, purchase a toolbox, now is the time. Jump on it before they sell out. And if you didn't notice, they actually flipped the price. So the tags are flipped. The tag for the top is actually the bottom box, and the bottom tag is the one for the top. Also, $229 and $269 was $329 and $269 regular price. So these are pretty good drops, even for the Craftsman. I do prefer the color on the Cobalts. Got some Wi-Fi down to $12, down from $49. This is a little bit older technology, but still works if you guys need an extra Wi-Fi for maybe smart devices and all that stuff. Here's some more smart devices on clearance. I'm not gonna go over all of them. There's a whole bunch on clearance. Here's another toolbox, $269 and $229 for the top. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals, guys. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. I know it's quite a long video today, but there's a lot to cover. There's a lot of clearance items. I should be going to Home Depot, and we're going to be checking it out. So make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed, so you guys won't miss any of those deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.